Hello, my name is Owen, and for my science fair experiment, I'm going to be splitting the visible light spectrum using a prism. Yeah, test 1 didn't work with the torchlight, so hope it works with test 2. The results for test 2 were great. The spectrum showed up really clearly, which I really enjoyed, but strangely, the spectrum, it was vertical, not horizontal, which was what I would have expected. These are the results for test 2. When sunlight gets shown through a prism, the visible light spectrum gets shown on a nearby surface. The spectrum is projected vertically, and the angle can be changed by moving the prism. I think the reason torchlight doesn't work is because the sun reflects more light with more wavelengths in it. These are the results for test 3 and 4. For test 3, I've shown candlelight through a prism. The spectrum showed up, it was just a little bit dimmer because sunlight, well, is brighter than candlelight, I guess. Anyway, for test 4, I shown laser light through a prism. The laser light was spread out, but it's just that it only spread the laser because, well, I guess the laser doesn't have all of the other colors in it. These are the results for test 3 and 4. Candlelight can be spread through a prism. The spread out light shows up as the visible light spectrum dimly on a nearby surface. I think the reason for it showing up dimmer is because sunlight is much more brighter. Laser light will spread out into the red laser light spectrum because there is only red laser to spread out. This is basically cows moo softly. It's an acronym for change, measure, and keeping the same. What I changed was a light source. What I measured was if the spectrum showed up, and what I kept the same was using a prism to spread out the light. Well, actually, I should spread out the light with a water droplet and do that as another experiment, but sadly I won't be doing it in this video. Goodbye.